Hi there mga beloved kong soulmates! Welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Nandito naman po yung lingkod para bigyan ka ng isang soulful and meaningful tarot reading dito lamang po sa mga lagi naabangan na sinusubaybayan ng Renzo Tarot Channel. Ang ating po reading ngayon pagsasamahan isang general reading para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Cancer. Okay, Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign, this is for you. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel, ay huwag po kayo mahiyang mag-subscribe, mag-comment, like, and share. At kapag sa TikTok nyo po ito napapanood, ay huwag rin po kayo mahiyang mag-comment. I-follow po ang ating TikTok account, i-repost, and i-share din po ang ating mga videos. And of course, kapag gusto nyo pong mag-avail ng personal reading, mag-direct message lang po kayo sa ating TikTok account, Renzo Taro 444. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're great, you're healthy, and you're safe. Sa ating mga kababayan, mga soulmates kung lagi nakabang na nasa Middle East, doble ingat po. You're always in my prayers. Okay? Sama-sama po tayo magdasal na sana matapos na po ang kaguluhan and everything will be back to normal. Okay? Sige. Last shuffle for you, Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Kunin na natin ang iyong 10 bara. Oop. Ayaw ha? Sige. So, this is for your general reading. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, 10 cards please for Cancer. Thank you so much po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal simula noon hanggang ngayon ay hindi nyo po ako iniiwan. So, utang na loob ko po ang lahat. Kung wala po kayo, ay wala po ang success ng Renzo Taro 444. Last 5 cards for you, Cancer, para sa iyong general reading. Last 2 cards please. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. 2 cards more for Cancer. Sige. Cancer, your 10 cards are now ready. So, wag na nating patagalin pa. Pasensya na po sa konting ingay sa background. So, just focus po on the cards and sa ating reading. So, I can see, your first card, Cancer, is Death card. This is not literally na mamamatay or this is not a negative card, but this is always a positive card for me. Although may 9 cards pa tayong nakataob, so I can feel the energy of transformation. So, bakit? Death card means ending. Something is about to end in your life. Some situations na hindi maganda, problema, maybe stress, anxiety, or whatever na hinarap mo nitong mga nakaraang buwan or maybe last year that keeps on pulling you or maybe nakatali ka talaga sa sitwasyon na hindi maganda. Puro toxicities, mga abuso, so what is this? Panggagamit o kung ano man na hindi talagang natali ka for a longer time na you thought you're not going to move, ay kumbaga hindi ka na makakausad pa ang buhay mo. This death card means ending, matatapos lang yan at of course, after ending, there's a new beginning. So, may bagong chapter ng buhay magbubukas para sa iyo. A new life, a new Cancer that will be filled with not only prosperity and abundance, but with happiness and contentment. Okay? So, tingnan natin, ha? So, look at this one. You have the 2 of Wands, Cancer. What does it mean? So, expect a Cancer that will be, nakikita ka dito parang may isang bagay kang pinagdedesisyonan. Parang gusto mong lumabas sa comfort zone, no? Parang nakikita mo na paulit-ulit na lang ang cycle and there's no growth. Walang nangyayaring growth dyan sa sitwasyon na yan. So this is the best time ngayon, Cancer, na nag-iisip ka, malayo ang tingin mo, what if subukan ko to? What if dito naman? So mga ganyan, nasa decision making daw kayo, Cancer. So whatever is that decision that you are thinking, so expect good result about it. Although, bakit ko kayo na-assure na good result? So I can feel the energy of the cards. Sasagutin tayo mamaya ng baraha. So, tingnan natin. So may 8 cards pa tayong nakakaob o nakataob. So kapag may lumabas dyan na any kind of ace, Ace of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Sword, Ace of Wands, so Chariot, Sun, Star, Magician, Wheel of Fortune. So you are assured of a very bright future ahead. So congratulations in advance, Cancer. So King of Pentacles, stability with money. Matagal na panahon na tenga kayo sa sitwasyon na said. Drain na drain ang finances mo. Talagang ubos to the point na negative deficit pa kayo, nakabaon pa kayo sa utang, wala talaga. May pumasok man, mabilis mawala, hindi kayo nakakaipon, to the point na parang umaasa na lang kayo sa iba, in terms of finances, umaasa kayo sa magulang nyo, sa kapatid nyo, or whatsoever. But this King of Pentacles is reminding you, Cancer, that those days are over. You are entering into a new chapter of your life wherein abundance and prosperity is coming on your way. More money is about to open on your doors. knock on your doors rather. So, expect mo na ito, i-claim mo na to, money, money, King of Pentacles, hari ng kaperahan, Cancer, ikaw to. So, cheer up, celebrate, kasi talagang dito patungo ang buhay mo. I'm so happy for you, Cancer, because I know hindi madali ang mga pinagdaanan mo lately. Grabe talaga, grabe yung struggle, grabe yung hardship. So, talagang to the point na sabi ko nga, akala ko, magi-give up ka na, Cancer, but here, look, andito ka pa rin, nanonood ng video ko. So, that's a big blessing na talagang na-manage mo na talagang, kumbaga, kumapit pa rin after all of those hardships that you've been through. Di ba? So, you're still blessed, Cancer. Andito ka pa rin, nanonood ng video ko. So, pang-apat mong bara is Eight of Cups. I can see here, Cancer, na parang mag-embark into a new journey in terms of career and, career-wise, trabaho, milestone, journey regarding sa yung trabaho or mga pinapangarap sa buhay. So now you're making steps, you're now being wise, gumagawa ka na ng paraan, sinisipagan mo na talagang gumawa ka na ng aksyon para ma-materialize mo na, kumbaga makamit mo na talaga itong pinapangarap mo. Maybe dream job, dream destination, dream business, or any kind of thing talagang pangarap mo simula noon na actually tinest ka dito, tinest yung patience mo pero hindi ka nag-give up eh. So Cancer, I can see here na ngayon talagang this will be the realization of these things. Kung ano man yung pinapangarap mo, make an action kung hindi ka pa gumagalaw, kung hindi ka pa kumikilos. Lakasan mo ang loob mo, tapangan mo ang loob mo, Cancer, because good thing is waiting for you. A bright future is waiting for you. Good news regarding that thing is waiting for you. Okay? So, i-claim mo ito. I-claim mo ito. Kung ano man yan, magbibigay sa iyo yan ng stability in terms of money. Kung walang-wala dati, kung baon sa utang, kung walang pumapasok, kapag nakuha mo na yan, kapag nakamit mo na ito, believe me, you're not going to worry anymore with terms of money. Okay? So, panglimang baraha is justice. Bakit tuwing Cancer, lagi lumalabas talaga ang justice? Because maybe I can see her mga Cancer na talagang nagtatrabaho more on talagang related sila sa justice. What I mean, hindi yung parang may kaso sila ha. What I can see her is like more on authority. Cancer, so mag-comment niya kayo, marami mga Cancer nagtatrabaho sa authority like sundalo, police, Air Force, lawyer, politician, mga ganun mga Cancer, something about na nagli-lead. Okay? So, kung ano man yung mga tinatrabaho nyo, ina-applyan nyo regarding authority or maybe promotion, papers, inaayos nyo, expect good news, expect good result. Although may 5 pa tayong barahan na nakatao, but wala pa yung hinihingi nating confirmation cards, but I am certain, I'm 100% with the gut feeling that I have, with my intuition na talagang good news. Okay? Good result, positive itong reading natin. So with this Justice card, may mga Cancer daw na nag-antay ng resulta. So with this Justice card, so expect a good result and positive result with this one. Ulitin ko bago tayo proceed sa ating last 5 cards, Cancer. So ulitin ko, pag di pa po kayo nakasubscribe sa ating YouTube channel, please do subscribe, mag-comment, like, and share. And of course, kapag sa TikTok niyo po ito napanood, follow niyo naman po ako. And of course, if you want to avail our private reading, personal reading, mag-direct message po kayo sa ating TikTok account. Same po ng ating YouTube, Renzo Taro 444. Let's continue your general reading, Cancer, with your 6th card. O, ito na. The World card. Tingnan mo kung gaano ka-connected ang bara. Yung katapat ni World ay death, pagtatapos, ending. Di ba sinabi ko sa inyo, may matatapos. Kung syempre kung may magtatapos, may bagong mundo na magbubukas para sa iyo. Look how beautiful this reading is. I am certain, I believe, maniwala ka, Cancer, that a new world is waiting for you, is about to unfold in your life, Cancer. A world filled with abundance, filled with happiness, filled with confidence and contentment. Bagong mundo naman ito, Cancer. Malayo sa mundong ginalawan mo lately na puno ng problema, puno ng anxiety and stress. Here you are. You are going to face a new reality wherein kasiyahan naman at kasaganahan ang iyong haharapin. So, di ba? Sabi ko sa'yo, Cancer eh. So, here comes the Two of Pentacles. So, talagang may pagdedesisyon na ginagawa. Ayan, Two of Wands, Two of Pentacles. How good is this reading? Connected ang mga baraha. Also, nakikita ko rin dito, hindi ka rin daw agad nakakapag-decide kasi parang medyo in terms of money sa gagastusin, parang medyo tagilid din. Parang kinoconsider mo din yung mga gastos mo dito. That's why talagang pinag-iisipan mo mabuti. Also, the universe is telling you, Cancer, na also not only in pentacles, not only in money, but in all aspect of your life. I-consider na balance yan. Time, energy, effort, kasi parang may imbalance tayo nakikita dito. Kita mo, katapat niya, two of wands, another two of pentacles. Di ba? Connected ang marahay. So, sa ngayon, hindi ka pa talaga gumagalaw, gumagawa na action kasi tino-consider mo din yung financial situation mo. Tama ba, Cancer? But, in the perfect time, kapag ready ka na, so, ipagputuloy mo to. Huwag mo itong talikuran, okay? So, Hierophant, katapat na yung King of Pentacles. Sabi ko, stability about money. Don't stop praying. Huwag kang magtiwala sa sarili mong talino at kakayahan. Itaas ito, itiwala ito sa Panginoon, sa universe, kasi siya ang bahala ng lahat. Magugulat ka. Lahat ng prayers sa manifestations mo, nasa pinto mo na pala. This Hierophant card signifies hope, signifies manifestations, wishes being granted, prayers being granted also. So Cancer, there's no time, there's no reason to worry. Kailangan mo lang talaga magtiwala. Okay? So, 9 card mo. So, Temperance. Patience is the key. Huwag magmamadali. Take things one step at a time. Take things slowly. Okay? So, hindi naman kompetensya ang buhay, Cancer. Ang importante, unti-unti kang bumabangon. Simula doon sa dating lusak, doon sa problema na pinagdaanan mo. So, this Temperance card, the universe is telling you to be patient at all times. Kasi kapag minadali mo to, baka bumagsak ka na naman, bumalik ka na naman sa sitwasyon mo dati na puro problema at puro stress. So ito, tutulungan ka ng universe. Itiwala mo lang sa kanya, itaas mo lang lahat ng mga pinapangarap mo at mga prayers mo. Everything will fall into place. Later on, ma-realize mo yan. Kaya pala nangyari ganito kasi ganito may dahilan. So everything will make sense to you later on. But if you being patient, okay, pero kung magmamadali ka, baka pabara-bara ang mga desisyon mo, at hindi ka muna nag-pray, hindi ka muna nagsangguni sa universe, talagang kasi nagmamadali ka, of course, I understand. Nasa sitwasyon ka na parang feeling mo kasi there's an urgency para gumalaw o gumawa ng action. But of course, what if mag-antay ka pa ng konti? Kasi meron palang mas magandang parating para sa'yo. Okay, Temperance? Patience is the key. Cancer. That ang last card mo. So, we have here the 5 of Swords. Okay? So, don't worry, Cancer. Because after all those hardships, after all those painful experiences, here you are. You will be regaining your energy, your happiness, and muli kang sasaya. Tatanggalin mo ulit lahat yung mga sword na nakatusok sa'yo nitong mga nakaraang buwan at nakaraang taon. Akala mo wala nang paggalaw ang buhay mo, but here you are, you will be happy again. Aalis ka sa sitwasyon na grabe. You will say na paano ko nalagpasan to. Paano ako nakaalis doon sa sitwasyon na yun, akala ko talagang wala na, hindi na ako makakalaya. Cancer, so this is the best sign kapag naparad mo ito. There's always hope in life. Don't give up. Everything is just a lesson. Everything is just a test for us. Hindi lang yung lesson dito but and how are you going to face the reality of life, and how are you going to respond, how are you going to rise up again and pick up the pieces of our life and build a new life. Okay, na dala-dala yung lesson na natutunan sa past painful experiences that you had, and how are you going to face the new chapter of your life that will be given by the universe. Bagong buhay, bagong pag-asa, puno ng kasiyahan, puno ng blessings, and puno ng contentment. I'm wishing you all the best in life, Cancer, and I hope and I pray na maraming nasa sign ng Cancer makaprodukto ngayon. Ulitin ko po, maraming salamat. Kapag di po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, comment, like, and share. Sa TikTok, please follow my TikTok account. Mag-direct message din po kayo kapag gusto nyo po mag-avail ng ating personal reading. Thank you so much po sa inyong muling pagsama. Mag-iingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.